So I wanted to have the opportunity to share a little bit more about the QCD, which is a Qualified Charitable Donation. So, and this will apply to anybody that is 70 and a half, or if you know somebody and they have a retirement account, an IRA, individual retirement account. At age 70 and a half, everybody is going to be subject to a required minimum distribution. Now, most of us, for example, that make donations to a charitable organization can take advantage of the new tax law. We have now a standard deduction now that went from a married couple that filed jointly from $12,000 deductible to $24,000 deductible. And so let's look at an example of Albert and Shirley. You see that they are in a 24% tax bracket. They normally give to a charity of $5,000. Now, on top of that, they also have $15,000 of existing itemized deduction. So now with the new standard deduction of $26,000, they don't have any benefits right now. So let's look at what the QCD is really about. First of all, it's only for those that are 70 and a half. You're able to give up to $100,000 per year per person. It has to go directly to the charity. The good thing about it is that it will suffice for your RMD requirements. And there is no deduction on your income tax. Now you've been wondering, no deduction on my income tax, why would this be beneficial? Well, let me show you an example, option one, where we're able to do a donation the traditional way, the way we normally kind of do it, which is basically we take that $5,000 from our IRA, a retirement account, and we put it in our checking account, and from our checking account we write a check to the charity. Okay, but in this case then you have the $5,000, the charity will get that. We will satisfy our RMD, which is the $5,000, but on top of that, in this situation here, this couple is in a 24% tax bracket. So that means for that $5,000, they'll have to pay another $1,200 in taxes. So the total cost for giving the charity $5,000 is $6,200. So let's look at the second option where we're able to make use of the QCD. So in this case, the charity will get the check from the IRA. Now how we do that? You have to directly make a check payment to the charity, or at least receive a check, but it's payable to the charity. Okay? Now that way we are able to satisfy our $5,000 RMD. The good thing about this is that $5,000 is now excluded from your taxable income. So now, instead of you paying $1,200 to be able to give that $5,000, you're only going to give that $5,000 without it costing you more money. So I hope this information was very valuable to you. But before I even continue and close up, I want to make sure that before you execute the QCD, you have a discussion with your tax preparer. Now, knowing this information and having the opportunity to do this, I hope you take advantage of it. And I hope you're able to bless an organization just like Proyecto Juan that over the last 16 years have been beneficial to the community of Brownsville.